Hello everyone. Today I got something from Macari. Let's see what's inside. You know, I wish I had like one of those cameras that you place on your head and it looks pretty cool. Pretty much like the way you move your head, right? It follows the camera. I need one of those. I need a GoPro or a tripod. I do have a tripod, but it's one of those cheap ones that don't really work good. Come on. Well, it's kind of a tripod. Let me use the camera like this. It's kind of a tripod. It's like a selfie stick pretty much, but it can be used as a tripod. Hold up. We're gonna see what's inside here. Come on. This knife sucks. It's very dull. I need to sharpen it. This dumb tape. Sorry if you guys are just seeing black. I know that's not something you want to see, but there we go. I'll take it out. Or is it just there? Thank you for your purchase. Wait, hold up. Macari, whatever. Let's do that side. I'll pick that up later. Also put the box away. Well, not really away. Here it is. I'll have to take it apart. We'll take out the tape. I got myself a Muscle Box Turbo. I love this color of the Muscle Box Turbo. It looks very like, what's that? Tropical core. I know I've said that word so many times, but like, bro, it literally looks like that. And also, this is my opinion, I think the Muscle Boss Turbo in this color looks a lot more better than the purple and blue. Put my camera so you can like watch what I'm doing. I guess I'm gonna have to bring the box. This box right here. Box anyway. Wait a minute. Oh no. Look. It slipped. Like 100% slipped. It could be the gear, like the motor shaft gear that slipped. I don't know. Yeah, the lever is not there anymore. It said in the description, it said it wasn't working, so I'm guessing that it has corrosion. Let me check, and let me get some batteries, and let me clean this stuff. I'm not gonna throw away the box that came, since I actually need that. All right, I'm back with some batteries. Oh god, I actually needed that box. Needed that box. Right there. Actually, I also need something here too because it's gonna flop over. Do I use the knife? That's fine. Okay, let's see what do we have in stock. Why does this screw not want to come out? It's actually pretty stuck in there. Man, okay, wait. I got it out. Okay, so it has just a little bit of corrosion. I don't know if you can see that. It has a little bit. Let's see what's wrong with it. Hopefully it actually works.
Turbo to the max!
Oof. There is something wrong with it.
Turbo to the max!
Whoa. I actually didn't know it had that last part sound.
Pedal to the metal!
Oof. I'm guessing there's a bad capacitor in it because it doesn't want to work correctly. Or is it these batteries? I don't think so, because these batteries are pretty good. Which rotor do I have that actually uses these types of batteries and it works? Oh, my Rotorbur's Extreme Rider. It could be that these batteries I have in the Muscle Boss Turbo could be kind of dead, so let's see. Oh, yeah, this is definitely gonna work. I got all excited because they're actually Amazon Basics in my ATV. So hopefully this will work. You know, it could be, the speaker sounds kind of weird, not gonna lie. It doesn't sound like it's there. It sounds like it's somewhere in there, like messed up. Or it could be that the speaker might be messed up. I don't know. But yeah, from what I have heard, the motor shaft gear probably slipped out of place.
Turbo to the max.
Yeah.
Pedal to the metal. Pedal to the metal. Pedal to the metal. Pedal to the metal.
Let's open it up. If you guys never opened up a Muscle Boss Turbo, I'll be showing you guys right here. Should I bring I'm gonna bring my light so y'all can see it. Alright, I have the light. And also, fun fact, close the light. You see how it's not turning off? I actually removed the microphone inside of this guy because it got so annoying when I was trying to open up Rotorbur's or pretty much anything to fix them. Because every time when I'm watching a video on YouTube, you know, just put it in the background or some music, for some odd reason it would think whatever it's saying, it would switch the light, like the dim. It would dim it or turn it to some other color. It would get so annoying. Now, I can actually, you know, do whatever I want to do without having this guy be so annoying. Oh, that's good. Let's see what's wrong with this guy. So I'm looking at the wheels and they don't look that dirty. I mean, one is kind of, the rubber on this one is kind of flopped. It does not really work well, and that's kind of sad because this is a first gen. And also, it's one of the Rotorburs that actually don't have Rotorburs on the tires. Which, I like these Rotorburs that don't have, oh my god. I like Rotorburs that come with the Rotorburs box, but they don't have it on the tires. Like, you know? That's when you know this one is an early model. Because back in the day, Rotorburs, when the box got released, most of them didn't come with Rotorburs on the tires. It was just on the box. But I think quickly afterwards, they changed that. Alright, so we can see that, well, the lever doesn't, I mean, I'm guessing the lever does work, but the light in the front, the truck's left, wait, no, right side, light blown, I think, or the wire probably was torn off, I don't know, but let's take it out. Oof, yeah, there's a lot of corrosion. Does this work though, the lever? Let's put my thing right there. Is there batteries in this, or did they fall out? Oh crap, this broke off. Okay.
Turbo, pedal to the metal.
Okay, something is off. I'm guessing there's a bad capacitor. But also, the lever doesn't want to work. Like, when I'm pressing the plates... Oh my god, you guys can't see it. I'm so sorry that the quality is bad. But look, these two plates activate the lever. So whenever the lever goes down, these two touch. But as you can see, they don't want to work. Oh, wait.
Ripper, let's fly.
It does work. Okay, so I actually do think there's probably a bad capacitor because my other Muscle Boss Turbo is completely different, like the board thing. I have a blue Muscle Boss Turbo. And I was originally planning on replacing just like this with my other one, like swap out the chassis and stuff like that. But there is something wrong. It doesn't want to work. I'm guessing one of these capacitors are bad, so I'm gonna have to replace them. That could be the case, but also corrosion. Lots of corrosion. So I'm gonna have to unsolder this. And also, for some reason, this speaker sounds like it's in water. Like, hear it again?
Turbos to the mat! Pedal to the metal! Pedal to the metal! Pedal to the metal!
Why does it sound like it's underwater? Are these just, I don't know. The owner did say it didn't work, which I don't think they opened it up like the battery compartment. Is there anything in this speaker? Could the speaker be bad?
Turbos to the mat!
Yeah, is the flame thing alright, or was it always like that? I'm guessing it was always like that. But I've never seen this type of capacitor. Well, I've seen the capacitor, yeah, but I've never seen it connected that way. I don't know. But I'm gonna try to fix it. And I don't really know why this is like this. I don't know why this is... Like, it sounds like it's underwater, and it's strange. I don't know. But I'm guessing that there's probably a bad capacitor somewhere in the board. So I'm gonna have to replace that capacitor, but I don't know which one it is. I don't have those fancy equipments where like a voltmeter to check the battery, to check the capacitor. Yeah. But whenever I do fix it, I'll show you guys. And also, I think this light right here is blown. Could be. Or maybe it's something in the board. Or it could be just one of those capacitors that's causing this to mess up. I'm going to take a guess that it is the capacitors. One of these capacitors. You know what? Let's open up the board. Like this board right here. Let's see if it's messed up. Because I don't know at the moment. But I'm going to take... I'm guessing something is wrong with the capacitor. Maybe some corrosion. If that is... Oof. Wait a minute. Come on. Actually, no, not really. Look. Oh my god. I'm so sorry. If you can zoom in, there's nothing really wrong with this. But when I check the bottom, you see that wire right there? Hold up. See that wire right there? It's all black. It could be that the corrosion traveled through the wire. Because look, this one right here. Look at that one. Oh, anyways, I'm gonna try to fix it best I can. And also fix this guy because there is something wrong with the motor. Well, not really, just I gotta switch out the gears. One gear right there. And also the lever's stuck. I'm gonna have to replace, or not really replace, lubricate that gearbox right there too. But yeah, I'll come back to you guys when this guy is all done. Oh my god, the quality! So sorry. I wish this thing had like autofocus, where like, no matter in what position, it could be like this, it would just focus like that. Like far away right, focus. Like that. I wish I had autofocus. And like this, close. Focus. Can I focus this close? No, I cannot. Well, anyways, bye.